Hey everyone, thanks for visiting the site and getting the download. My name is John Howard, and I share secrets from the lending community on credit and improving your credit scores. My mission here is to educate and to assist folks in living the savviest financial life possible and showing how you can travel the world for free, take vacations, and even make everyday purchases with your credit card points and miles. I've actually facilitated 1 million mortgage applications from this website over the years, and over these years I came up with a little saying, which is improve your credit scores, improve your destiny. I also use my credit card points and miles at every hotel I stay in, every rental car, at some point during all my vacations, dining out, and even at concerts, as well as gifts. So on this site, you'll see the 3 steps that I have here. The first step, of course, is to do the download. It's a PDF document. It has all the companies in our country that offer you your credit scores for free. The second step is our credit card finder on this site. You see the total credit accounts category on your credit report accounts 10% towards your credit scores. So if you don't already have 11 credit accounts, go ahead and start now, and you got to build that up. So if you're not sure about your credit, or you know that you have bad credit, don't worry. Just go ahead and you can get a secured card or a prepaid card, and those cards have no credit requirement at all. So again, if you don't have 11, or if you're not sure, go ahead and start adding credit accounts now. Then the third is the bureaus. So the 3 bureaus are Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. At some point, you might need to enter your address or update your address, or there might be some information that you need to update, as well as there might be some misinformation in there as well. So you might have to dispute some information in your credit report. Anyway, at some point along the way, it's gonna benefit you to have an account at each bureau. See, when a lending decision is made, typically the lenders will take the middle score. So they'll look at all 3 scores and take the middle score of the 3 bureaus. So it's going to be best to have an account at each bureau. So you see, in the modern world, it's pretty crucial to have good or excellent credit. If you don't have at least good credit, you run the risk of getting turned down for when it comes time to rent an apartment, or buy a car, or rent a car, or even sometimes getting your utilities turned on. So whatever the reason is that you came to this site, you came to the right place, and thank you. We have a lot of content on this subject, and we hope you enjoy it. Also, what I've done is in the spirit of kind of showing you what I do with my credit card points and miles, and all these great credit cards that are out there. I put together some visuals for you to show some of the things I've kind of do, even very recently in my free time. I actually love traveling, and then also really like adventure sports as well. So take a look. Thank you. Here are just some photos of me using my points and miles doing some of the things I love to do. There I am skiing in Lake Tahoe. Snow skiing is basically my favorite outdoor activity to do. There I am on a recent trip doing stand-up paddleboarding in Hawaii. And here I am with a group of friends on a recent trip to Park City. Yes, we are all in Austin Powers costumes. It was the end of the season celebration there. It's called pond skimming. That was in April of this year. There's my little guy and I on our airline of choice, United, of course, about to fly off to our annual family ski trip in March to Colorado. So since I personally have a deep background in the mortgage and credit card industry, it's been pretty easy for me to understand everything involved with getting my credit scores high. But this whole world of credit isn't so easy for everyone. To get the best credit cards for maximizing reward and bonus points, you will need to have at least good credit scores. A lot of the best rewards cards will require a minimum FICO of 690 or even 700. And also, these credit cards and the lenders will either use a bureau that you're not sure which of the 3 bureaus they're using, or they'll use the middle score of the 3 bureaus, which is why I recommend that you sign up and get an account at each bureau. Since these credit scores are made up of so many different components, I provide significant content on everything that makes up your scores. To get more familiar with this whole world of credit, and if you need to increase your scores, you really should pay attention to all the content I have. You can follow me on YouTube. I'm John C. Howard there. On Facebook as Quick Apply Credit Center, and you can also watch out for our emails. Thank you all for visiting and for watching. I'm here to assist, so I encourage everyone to follow me and ask any questions at any time. Remember to visit our special links, our credit card finder, and our links to the bureaus, and know your credit at least 3 months before you rent, buy, refi, or apply. Thank you.